Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Marumo Colors 1. I'm joined by Mbogotio.
Bengiyapi Steve.
La
Bengiyapi moyo
moyo.
Uyilahlile. Ngiyasola Steve.
Utukile.
Isundowns ayimingeleki.
Yeah.
Ngibethe ngiyazama ngiyaminya dolo.
It's very tough.
It's very tough mfethu. But abafana bethu.
Sure.
Ngiyabacela Steve. Abasayela ama-goal on Sunday. Into sicelayo. Abayekela ukuthi sithina ama-fans thina. Sizokhuluma vele ngoba sifuna iBetway. Thina sifuna iBetway sokhuluma noma yini mele bamukele. Lokho kusukhulumayo soxolisa iBetway seyiphelile Steve. Kusasa ngiyahamba. Ngiyo cross iBoard. Ngiye Maputo for Orlando Pirates.
Uyolanda isihlahla.
Ungangibuza ukuthi uyoyenzani. But for Orlando Pirates Steve, ngize nginomfutho, ngize ngigqoke ijazz number yakandlondlo. But udlalile uNdlondla ngangidisappointanga. Even bekunama mistake enye A1 mina engibonile. Is fine mara udlalile mfana, ngisamthanda Steve. Bengizele yena la, bengazelanga uzominya mina. Bengizele uNdlondlo kuphela. Ngiyabonga Steve umoya mara ubhlungu. Kuvuka le pen lesiwelele. Steve mfethu kubhlungu tana. But I believe ukuthi on Sunday bafana bami bazoyenza umsebenzi. Bayazi sinamapain amaningi kakhulu, but on Sunday ngiyabathemba Steve.
Umbuthuma.
Laba ngiyabatrusta. Mabadlala neSundowns. Wena ungazi Maru Jessico yazi. Bayisela iSundowns laba Steve. Laba sela iSundowns laba. Abakaze basidisappoint laba Steve. But after Sundowns iphelile yamnabo.
Ba right ngokudlala
bazoswinisa lapho. Sobuya ngabo Steve. But I believe ukuthi mina ileague ayikapheli. Only Sundowns is only 2 points. I believe ukuthi abafana bazohlala phansi baqabange bayibone bajuluke Steve mele bagijime bashaya amagoli. Sekeleni ukutatazela amabhakaniya iBetway isasekhona just Sundowns is leader only 2 points. Phela.
Thank you sister.